Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if you're unable to view your TP-LINK Tapo C230. If you just can't see the preview right here, then try to just restart the app or go into the gear in the top right corner and check the network connection and also the firmware update. But if you're unable to find your device in here, then just go into the cameras. But first I need to remove this camera to show you.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera.
Okay.
Please wait.
Go into the camera right here. Click Add Devices. Scroll down till you see your Tapo device, and it should be right in here. Now power up your camera, so I just restarted it. No, I don't want to connect with random headphones. We need to wait for the camera whole setup. Click Next. And at the time, we will go to the Wi-Fi, details, and connect with Tapo Cam. Now go back to the app, and you should be connected to your camera. No available network rescan, because the camera is not able to connect with 5G. So try again. There is a couple of networks here. Yes, choose your network. Type in the password. Click Next.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
And the camera is connecting.
Wi-Fi connected.
And connected. Now the whole setup of the camera will take some time, around 2 to 5 minutes. So I'll be back with you when it's all done. Now we're back to naming the device, so I'll just leave the name as it is. Now you can choose where your cam would be placed in. I'll stick with living room. Choose the icon of your camera, so that's the prettiest one, and click Next. It's completed, sounds good. You can start the free trial right here, but I'll dismiss it. Now got it. And firmware updates automatically will update from 3 to 5 AM. Then got it. And here is your camera. That should work now. Yes, the preview is working. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.